Is it even worth investing in Bitcoin? I mean, what's the point? It's this online thing that no one can touch. Why is it so important? Why is it blowing up? And why is now the time for you to invest into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? I'd like to touch on that, as well as Robinhood, a Forex exchange app that is now incorporating Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is great news for the ecosystem. If you're new to my channel, my name is Dylan and welcome to Cryptonatic. I cover all things related to cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, and today I'll be getting into more of that, so stay tuned. Now first, let's get into what is Bitcoin. To know that, you need to know that Bitcoin is one of many other online currencies called cryptocurrencies, and these all exist on the web. You can't hold them in your hand like you do with cash. It is also not centralized, meaning there is no central government or authority that regulates it and governs it. It is all dispersed over the whole globe. I'm not going to get into too much detail, but basically it is amazing. Really, you should try it. Now on this website, it's basically a summary of all the cryptocurrencies that exist. You've got over 1,400 different cryptocurrencies, your best one or the highest one being Bitcoin, some of the other popular ones like Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Now the current price of Bitcoin is around $11,000. Now most people work in dollars. That's just how it works in cryptocurrencies. If you have another exchange in your country, just exchange it to dollars. It's just simpler to work like that. Now we've seen that over the last few months and years, the price has been stagnant or relatively stable, rising at a relatively slow pace, and this year it really took off and it shot all the way up to $20,000. Now that's a lot of money. Now with any cryptocurrency or any market, no matter what type, if it runs up so hard, it's going to fall. That's normal, I promise you. Now, a lot of people are freaking out because the price has fallen so much, but that is the exact time when you need to get into the market. It is when it is on its lowest point, when people are fearful and not sure what to do because the market is going down. That is when you go against the market and go against what people are saying, and you invest, because Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is the future, and you need to be involved in that. Now, to get a bit of a better understanding, this is a chart, and if it's too technical for you, just look back at this. But we see that over the last few months, we had Bitcoin go up in price, drop a bit, go up in price, drop a bit, go up in price, drop a bit. And now this last stretch, it went up really fast, really high, and now it is also dropping. And many times you see when a cryptocurrency or any market tightens in range, you've got your general trend line coming up here, and it is forming a nice wedge. And at this wedge, you usually get one of two things. You get that the price breaks up in that direction, or it breaks down. Let me just get that. Or it breaks down in that direction. Now I want to tell you why I think it is going up and not down. Yes, don't fear, just buy. Now onto another piece of news that can add on to this. Robinhood is adding cryptocurrency trading. Now what is Robinhood? This is a very popular Forex exchange that trades different currencies and commodities, and it is now adding cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now they are in direct competition with Coinbase. Now many of you should be familiar with Coinbase. Coinbase is one of your main and biggest companies that work to getting your currency, may it be dollars or any other currency in your country, to cryptocurrencies. Now Coinbase has really high fees for you to get your money into cryptocurrency and also to withdraw it. And Robinhood is their aim is to take on Coinbase and to reduce those fees to zero. Yes, zero. They plan on having free trading for all users. Now, Robinhood is a very well-established company and exchange, and there are thousands of dollars that run through their systems on a daily basis. Now, Robinhood is planning to fight those high fees that you pay to deposit money into the cryptocurrency market specifically, and that is their new announcement. You can see that they work in America as well as Australia, and they keep expanding. I think this is a great competition for Coinbase and is going to bring a lot of new money into the cryptocurrency space. You can also see that there is over 120,000 people that are in line ready to open an account and get their funds into Robinhood. This is their crypto Robinhood website, so this is only for cryptocurrency traders. 120,000 users. This news came out 1 hour before I've made this video. That shows you the immense amount of interest that people have, and that there is still a lot of money that is going to come into the market and push the price of Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies higher and higher. Now you can download this app on the Google Play Store as well as the Apple App Store, and you can use this as an app so long, and make sure that you type in your email, get registered, so that when they open in February that you can deposit your money and get trading. Something else I'd like to mention that I'm personally very proud of, last week when the markets crashed a little bit, it actually crashed a lot, I wrote an article explaining a bit of the market and how things work and my experiences on that. You can go check that out in the link below. I posted this on Reddit and also on my other social media links. If you'd like to follow me, you can do so on Facebook, Reddit, Steemit and Instagram, where I'll also post links like these and other information, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right, so that is then all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed that and you've got a bit of more insight into what is happening in the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market. It is now the time to buy. Don't hide away, don't get scared. It is now to put your foot down, invest that money that you've put aside, or if you've already invested and that you're down on your portfolio, now's the time to hold on to that and push through. You will be grateful soon enough. That is then all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, cheers.